Today is the 20th of March 2022. We have Metsolantie, Skogsbruksvägen 7 Sticksby. We're also going to go to the Sticksby here. This is built by Schindler, Schindler Smart. And it says 2002 here. This is possibly early 2003, but we'll check it on the internet.
Yeah.
Maybe the same as the Orono, maybe same year. Probably. It's here in Korso, Vantaa, I think it's Korso region, in Finland. And I think it, yeah, this was 0, so it's fifth floor is the tallest.
Yeah.
I think. The number is 1653B and the capacity is 8 persons, 800 members. It's going to be inspected next year, 2023.
It's a bit lucky wise with that, but on.
This interior is quite alright.
Yeah.
I like these wooden walls.
Same here.
So this is not the worst or not the most boring Schindler Smart.
Yeah.
First one.
No, we started basement.
Oh, yeah, but.
Yes, there's no alarm bell at first one.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
It's not anymore.
Yeah. That's